Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make vanilla rice pudding. Let's get started. I used two 12-ounce ramekins. Grease the surface with unsalted butter. Add 25 gram washed rice to each ramekin. 15 gram sugar in each ramekin. Heat up some milk and bring to boil. When the milk is boiling, turn off the heat. Transfer the milk to the jug. Add some vanilla extract to the milk and mix well. Transfer the milk to the ramekins. Soak the rice in milk for 30 minutes. While waiting, preheat the oven at 300 Fahrenheit. At the beginning, cook them for 1 hour. During the first hour, stir the rice every 20 minutes, so repeat this for another 2 times. One hour later, let's check the rice pudding. Stir the rice first. Sprinkle thin layer of nutmeg powder. Then cook it in the oven for another hour at the same temperature. Time is up. Let's check the rice pudding. Remove the skin and the texture is creamy. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So, this vanilla rice pudding cost me less than $3. I'm going to enjoy my vanilla rice pudding with strawberry jam. Thanks for watching my video.